Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing two very luxurious accessories for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. One of them is the iPhone 14 Pro Max case with the MagSafe magnets built in, so it's MagSafe compatible. And this is from a company called Sena. This is a tan leather case. So you have button covers here. It's a nice shiny black. You have very nice supple leather on the back and the sides. It has a power button cover as well. You have the ports open for the microphone, speaker, and charging port right there. And this is like a felt in here, so this is very nice. Also covers up the camera cluster right there, so that when you set the phone down, it protects the glass and the cameras right there. So that's the case. And then here is an optional wallet that's also MagSafe compatible from Sena. Very nice supple leather, and it's in the same tan coloring as the case. And actually this can attach right to the back of the case like that. And this has several spots where you can put cards and money or what have you. It opens up as well. It's almost like a full wallet. So you can slip items in here and here as well, and then close it right back up. Has a nice satisfying close so things don't fall out of the wallet. But it is MagSafe connecting right there, right onto the magnets, and as you can tell, it's not going anywhere. So that's both made by Sena. I really like the supple leather, and you can get both of them now online for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.